Alright guys, just want to do a quick video. 96 Civic using the Works Bell short hub with the ball lock system. I didn't see anything else on YouTube that showed how to get your horn working and get the SRS light to go off, so I won't show how to remove the steering wheel. That's pretty straightforward. Two Allen screws on each side. But once you get the stock one off, you want to make sure it's perfectly centered. This part right here has a little alignment right in the middle. Make sure it's perfectly straight up. The kit actually comes pretty complete. It comes with all these adapters. The ones you need to have. This one right here is to bypass the SRS light, so it thinks that it still has the airbag hooked up. And this one right here, the red one, ties into the stock harness of the horn, so that way your turn signal will still work like normal. So horn, and it comes with this other adapter. So this part goes on first. Make sure you put the spacer in between. I'll show that real quick. So we're gonna tighten all these guys down. They're 8 millimeters. You can put a little bit of Loctite to prevent them from coming loose. So as you can see, the spacer goes in the middle. That's what allows the horn to ground out. So finally we're left with just the horn. So we got the red. Go right here, and this will be the ground. I did have to make this a little bit wider because it wouldn't fit, so you gotta kind of bend it out a little bit, make it a little bit wider, but now it fits nice and snug. It won't come out. Line up your horn, and as you can see, it doesn't need the spacer on this side, only on the back. Let's get it in there. Line up the horn, and the hub comes with a nice little spacer, so hold the button in place. There we go. It's not crooked, is it? Test fit. Let's see if this shit works. Bam! Look at that. Now we can see if the SRS light is not on. There we go, SRS light goes off. Got the working AC. That's it.